Hey there, entrepreneurs, welcome back. If you're looking to start a high income business in 2026, listen carefully. Today, I'm going to share 5 professional business ideas that are not only in demand but also have the potential to make serious money. These businesses are scalable, future proof, and perfect for anyone willing to upgrade their skills and step into the professional lane this year. The first business idea is professional consulting services. If you have expertise in anything, business management, marketing, accounting, HR, IT, customer service, real estate, even home organization, you can turn that knowledge into a profitable consulting business. Consulting is powerful because you are not selling a physical product. You are selling your expertise, your experience, and your solutions. Businesses, entrepreneurs, and even individuals are always willing to pay someone who can solve their problems faster and easier than they can do on their own. You can start with one simple question: what do people already come to me for advice about? Once you identify your specialty, your next step is to build a simple, professional foundation. Create a clean website or a one-page digital profile that explains 3 things. First, the problem you solve. Second, the service you provide. And third, the result clients can expect. You can start with small packages like a 1 hour consultation, a 30-day strategy plan, or a project based service. As you grow, you can raise your rates, add new packages, and take on bigger clients. One of the smartest ways to get your first clients is through your family and personal network. Let them know what you're offering. Have your family help you promote, help you stay organized, and even help you stay consistent in your schedule. If you have teenagers or older family members, they can help with tasks like taking calls, organizing files, or giving feedback on your ideas. Consulting has no limit. You can scale it by offering online courses, group coaching, digital products, or even corporate packages. It's highly flexible, highly profitable, and perfect for a home based business. Next up, legal. For decades, the practice of law has found a cozy corner in the heart of attorneys' homes instead of the traditional office building. Many lawyers have embraced their spare rooms or even converted garages as their base of operations. All you have to do is finding a space from your home and not worrying about fancy decor, support staff, furniture, office, or a phone line. You can manage cases and communicate with clients just as effectively as someone in a swanky, downtown office. Because your clients will mostly concerned about your expertise, trust, and services. Business idea number 3: accounting. Many accountants kick off their careers by handling tax returns right from their own homes. Someone named Michael was a part time accountant who started offering tax help from his living room during evenings and weekends. He focused on helping self employed workers in small local shops who couldn't afford big accounting firms. In his first year, he handled around 20 tax returns, earning about $8,000 extra. By year 2, after setting up a simple website and promoting through social media, he had over 50 regular clients, bringing in $40,000 plus independently. 3 years later, he turned his side business into a full time home based accounting service with monthly bookkeeping packages and virtual consultations. Now he makes over $90,000 a year, works from home, and uses software to manage documents online. No office needed. How cool is that? Let me pause for just a moment to tell you this. If these professional business ideas are inspiring you and helping you believe more in your business dream, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe right now. Your support allows me to keep bringing you the tools and motivation you need to grow. And if you know someone who's been talking about starting their own home based business but just needs a little encouragement, share this video with them. You could be the reason they finally take that step towards success. Alright, let's keep moving forward because your business transformation starts right here. Business idea number 4: digital content and marketing agency. With nearly every business moving online, the demand for high quality digital content has exploded. This includes social media management, video editing, content creation, website content, and ad management. Many business owners are too busy to handle their own posting, branding, or content strategy. They need consistent content that reflects professionalism, helps them attract clients, and helps them stay relevant online. That's where you come in. You can offer packages such as weekly posts, monthly content plans, short form video editing, branding templates, and more. To start, focus on one clear service. For example, daily or weekly social media posts, editing short videos for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, writing blog posts or website content, running Facebook or Google Ads. Pick the skill that feels most natural to you or the one you're already good at. Then create simple work. You can design content for a fictional business or even use your own brand as an example. Small businesses love seeing real samples, not just promises. This is also a great business for involving your family. Younger kids can help by staying quiet during recording times or chores while you work. Older family members can help organize ideas, review posts, or even record content with you. This makes your workflow smoother and keeps your home environment supportive. Once you start landing clients, you can expand by offering monthly retainers. This gives you a predictable income every month, perfect for growing your business steadily. A digital agency also scales extremely well. You can outsource tasks as you grow, hire editors or writers, and eventually build a full professional brand with multiple services and ongoing clients. Lastly, medical. Medical professionals have always found innovative ways to practice from home. Beyond doctors, other healthcare providers can also operate from home, like licensed nurses. They can offer personalized care to patients in their own residences, especially those with disabilities. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful.